Hi, this is Sean with the Center for Manufacturing Technology. Today we're going to work on tapping a hole. In our previous video, we spot and pectoraled our hole. So today we're going to do a tap with a manual Bridgeport machine inside of a drill chuck. So we know that we have an 832 tap from our last video where we drilled with a 29 drill making a 136 diameter hole. So today I'm going to show you how to do the tap. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that our machine is in low gear, and we're going to spin the spindle at about 240 RPMs. So when we're in low gear, we want to make sure that we check to see what direction our spindle is spinning in. And if we turn our switch up and down, that should show us the direction. Looks like our spindle's spinning clockwise, so we're all set to go. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that we put some cutting fluid on our tap. And then we're going to turn our spindle on, making sure that it's in clockwise position. And then we're going to bring our tap down. And once the tap reaches the part, you will see it engage and begin to pull the tap into the part, threading the hole. So you saw that I stopped the spindle. Stopping the spindle lets me turn the switch into the other direction, spinning the tap out of the part and counterclockwise. And I can just follow with the handle as the tap exits the part. And that's how you tap using a manual Bridgeport machine. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.